about the Politricks watch. This is SH0T. Today I'm going to talk about a story that I've seen in the news. A young JDF soldier by the name of Private Ejay Domville. Very sad story. I'm going to talk about it. Because all things surprised me is that this don't happen more often. How long now me I warning about the sloppiness and the waterdownness of the modern day JDF? Enough time I say it and some of the young soldiers them link me and say, look YouTube a warm tea man, you know say thing up and now we do this and one different time now, we do this now and do this now and do this now enough and go dead. A lot of you young bucks won't learn till your brain is leaking out on the asphalt. Private Ejay Domville, him not do a year in the JDF yet. But everybody, from the man, the woman, the dog and the cat can tell about him and how him friendly and approachable. And him let them on the stretcher dead. Never talk about this matter like I talk about any other matter. As tragic as it may be. But let me tell you something. Cause people are link me and tell me about the residents them say nice and the residents them talk about him and the residents them say this and residents say that. Him so approachable and him so nice. Yeah, too nice. If this nice tactic isn't delivering intel, if it isn't delivering guns, 87s, arrests, convictions, then what is it for? Check out this little article here, so. And the observer, them talk about him. Everybody I say, you know, boy, a nice youth and him always this and him always that. Hear the part here. Them man, they was the girls, them type of man. The girls, them love him. Him never diss nobody round here yet. Nobody don't know what really happened. Bull crap. This is why I'm telling you, so one time when I see something to run to the papers and quick for talk in a bad man place, at the emissary that. Who do I tell this? I mean nobody know what happened. In a bad man place, by the time the gunshot done fire, you know what go on. But the girls, them man, when the young youth now learn, you know. Me understand how the thing go. Me understand, young full of energy, testosterone, uniform pan body and rifle in the hand. People friend you and lick out your head back and then come in your funeral, come roll in the dirt and ball and tell us a good youth. You don't know what you're up against. Private Ejay Domville just joined the army. Not even a year. And told him I he's like he's the national PR ambassador, everybody. Oh, your man, him there always over here, son. Him always over here, so. You hear what him say? Him ball out, mention about the girls them first. You're going to hear about that later. Girls them, then one cast no found on the life. Young JDF guy. He make sure put in. Nobody don't know what really happened. Bull crap, unicorn meat. Go on, go state about. What we hear is that them a go down the road and buck up in a man and him get shot. Said the young man who declined to give his name. Article go on about the PN1 resident felt over the killing of the soldier was very evident by the mournful look on her face. Resident PN, oh, nobody know what going on. Just a go down the road and him get shot. Boy, rough still. Unicorn meat by the time him drop a gun. Word fly around the whole community. Exactly what go on. And when them turn the JDF, you know. My objective is to see that every member of my team make it home alive, not for win no friendly guy of the year contest. The same people them that tell about him nice will run program on him, a bad man place we are talk about. Them know what happened to the youth. Why didn't they mention girls first? Are the girl them a get out enough for them? Understand this, because I realize that different type of youth get drawn to the army now. Now for them young youth are really passionate about the JDF, you know? Them really passionate about the army. Them not passionate about Jamaica. But them see say, short of being a DJ or an artist or something like that, one of the next way you can build a strength online is, you know, put on the uniform and post with rifle and put on one bad man song back at it and, you know, do a little pose and maybe a little jig over here so. A TikTok and Instagram clout, me enough of them join the army. Impress girl and pose up on them thing there. Now for them on a militancy. Then they look on it like, alright, this man put on my clothes, I gotta work, which part me I go, might be the very last day upon this earth if me get things wrong. Instead, he can't wait for reach checkpoint, he can't wait to reach, when in the operation, he can't wait to get one little 2-minute stop, so he can shoot him TikTok video. A BA likes. A lot of these young men don't have a soldier bone in them body. Uniform don't make you a soldier, guy. Uniform don't make a soldier. Just like how Denham don't make a police. Right now you have enough of them young youth and the JDF that walk up and down in the uniform. You can't tell the difference between them and a 87. You can't tell the difference between them and them civilian counterparts. After Private Domville dead, a soldier, you can't say him in a uniform. I talk to Smaddy. That is basically taunting the soldier them boy what happened to Private Domville. Look on this. They pan his said lane when my dog them shell your friend. Forward no man, we active. In a chatting the man both show face. See there? I've all the name safe, Scarface. I try win text messaging contest. My private can line up and stretch out the whole of him face but up gunshot fly through him head. I'm in a texting contest with man. Man I come tell me about forward now. These people are taunting the army after killing a soldier, you know. I wish a 87 would. Even the most notorious 87s are in them joke here one time. This is the heights of Brazen. I've never seen anything like this in my life. Them you trying to understand the reason why this happened to you is because your thing different. Which guy? Whether him want to be too bad or sci-fi. And then I talk about we up on the same lane or just shell your friend forward now. We active. That show me say these new youths don't command the same level of respect. They're too common, too available. That's why everybody depend who nice and who friendly and every minute him over here and him how to talk to we. Why didn't that save him life? Since being so friendly and so great is a good thing in these situations, why didn't it help Private Domville? Instead, we're here talking about the young man's imminent night and burial. Days gone by, you only saw the army when it was serious. That's what 87 used to know. It's not a joke thing. The aura of the JDF, A-U-R-A, the aura of the JDF is gone. The mystery is gone. Too common. Too much video light. Which 87 could have killed my private and I brag about it on phone but we active? Which guy? Who? From where? Notice them a chit chat on phone. The man them will just kill the private chit chat on phone the next to soldier. The 87s them have all of them number. What you think them get it? Through the same girl them. Through the same friendliness them. This whole heap of number exchanging is not necessary for every soldier upon the ground. If a man have something to say, pass him on to people who collect intel. The reason why them number all over West Kingston are because them round there itch up between the kerosene foot them and no realize say them are got dead. When them a look woman and numbers exchange, right away number get passed on to the gang them. That's why man can link any of them anytime and tell them if you go suck them woman and laugh after them kill one of them fellow soldier. You think we don't hear what go on in West Kingston? Man all a sneak off a checkpoint and go and link girl. Small lead go and make no fun of dead in the youth. When you can right now JDF soldier say oh go suck all the boys, so go suck all the mama. Because you might try to fight against the thing I want to him. Yo, thing up dog. TikTok does reach 5,000 followers I want to him. Sound like one dinosaur, him thing lame. But I think only the old soldier them really look at YouTube. Only the older generation of soldier them really look at YouTube. The new one them I say boy SH0T and farmer. Highly acidic young men, them push enough of them in a JDF claiming say them are gonna make them a better person and all them do is make acidic youths competent on rifles. That's all them do. Them youth and have no patriotic bone in them body. They don't care about Jamaica. They don't care about ending crime. Them just see the army are sitting for do, kill time and get a bus off fight on TikTok and get some girl in the process. Girls on the checkpoint with man. Checkpoint in a bad man place and girls under there with man. Girls from the area under there with soldier. And them a discuss operation and girl a ear. Radio come in and girl a ear. But you a get little eagle eye and think say something special. You know say in a bad man place, gunman will send girl for give police and so an eagle eye. Just to make them get, relax them guard and get better intel from them. We not talk about nice. Your job is not to be nice. Your job is to deliver results and go a yard to your family. Now, we talk about young youth them. But in everything, leadership matters. So let's talk about the leadership. The watered-downization of the JDF. Yes, you heard me correctly. The watered-downization of the JDF started with the big rank them and the big wing them and the politician guy them and the so-called advisors who don't even know how the streets work. Too much desk jockey who got the course in Winnipeg think to them know how the streets work. Pick up all kind of Mickey Mouse strategies and try implement it in an Iron Man. But understand how the army work. Just like the police, well, even your workplace. You can know everything you want to know. You can be as good as you want to be. If the higher rank above you decide say I saw the thing I go, then you have to just work with it. Enough man don't like what go on in the JDF. But even if you're a major or a colonel, where you think, the civilian thinks a major or a colonel is a big rank, it is compared to a private and a sergeant, but in the grand scheme of the army, a major and nobody. A lieutenant and nobody, a captain and nobody, even a colonel and nobody. A colonel have all 10 boss above him. And the care you say, well, so this is foolishness, it's not gonna work. Enough man don't even want to stir up the ants nest because I think about him promotion. So him say a foolishness this, and him not say nothing because him now upset the man above him. Because I think about him next report because him want to sound good and get promoted. Even them know say enough youth are dead. Going off of these policies. Remember years ago me telling you say I go do whole even more the microphone than I do the rifle. One time I really look into the incident and the report from it. That about Private Domville's death. One time they might tell you how much people involved and who was there and who. All you see is be a private. Private this, private that, private that. About 9 private. How can an incident happen? How can this go down? And the whole team consists of nothing but privates. Be a private and walk up and down and move around. A place that is a well-designed killing field. If you know how West Kingston set up, the way all the street them and the lane them set up, the look at choppy them can go through you so. The only reason why Tivoli incursion never more disastrous to the JDF and the JC because the gunman them not have the stomach. If them did have the stomach, it would have been a bloodbath for the JDF and the JC, or because them have beer gun and beer rifle, but when it was time to go up against other riflemen, they never had the stomach. Most of them soft when time people are shoot off of them back. They would have 30 dopey, them come kill 30 man per one corner. But when time they go up back against real rifleman and real sniper, West Kingston set up in a way where try patrol down it no. Easy if it dead. Easy if it dead. And you have 8, 9 private and move around it by themselves. There was not one NCO involved in incident. Not one. An NCO is a non-commissioned officer. Not even a Lance Corporal. Or if you have 8, 9 private and move around West Kingston. It was a recipe for disaster. I'm surprised only one dead. Sometime all 2 of them gone around the little lane. 2 of them This is a recipe for disaster. Not even an NCO the man them a move with. I've never seen this. Who is calling the shot here? Because people are get shot here. And them are dead. Who is leading this circus and why they're not being held accountable? Who is making these decisions? Is it that JDF is sending them there, but then man do them own thing Or this is just how them send the man them, because it don't make sense. When the smoke clear, only Domville was dead. 87s are celebrate, the day belong to them. To the point where man a taunt you up on phone. Guy, you have to make changes. But me not surprised. No for only young JDF you to listen to this right now. Me here on up a camp no. You on up a camp. I don't know look at you thing already. Man must say, oh boy, P a different time no, them young youth and like a bad man side them depend now, cause they must say, oh you're informer, I'm not deal with informer. Oh soldier for not like informer. Oh police who not like informer. When you're in a world where quote unquote informer are gonna help you do your job better. That's why enough time I reason with the youth them. You know the JDF are competent members, me tell them to avoid them youth there. Cause they will drag you down. Me not supposed to have to tell a soldier that because that should be a given. But it's not a given anymore. Because even the JDF is acidic now. The young youth them think and operate just like them acidic civilian counterparts. And dog go and enough for them supper. We not talk about girl. Them the girl that get a backers right now from the youth them a kill Domville. And moonwalking at them eagle eye. Backers non-stop. Not talk about girl. Ask C4 about the Spanish town girl them. Clansman send girl. Go friend up and give police eagle eye to get information from them. Man thinks say my girl is not realize that this whole time he's nothing more than a pawn in the system. Them new soldier things to them see nothing. A hurry come up thing. Every car them can put a West King, so me see that already. Welcome to the killing fields. Patreon squad, big up on yourself, PIA, you don't know, more life. Vulture squad, stay circling. Bless.